is the controller. Okay, this will control our ATS 1250 amp solenoid ATS. Okay, this name is called WST7, this controller. Okay, so these are the keys used for source 1 closing and source 1 opening, source 2 closing and source 2 opening. Okay, so these are the key programming keys, these three, 1, 2, 3, and this is the alarm reset key. Okay, so, sorry, this is the return key and this is the alarm reset key. Auto selection, manual selection, source 2 close, so open is common for source 1 as well as source 2. Okay, so now you can see the indication here. This is the source 1 healthy indication, source 2 healthy indication. You can see the voltage here. Source 1 available, source 2 is available. So the healthy indication is there. Now this indication refers the load is connected on source 2. That's why the indication red is there. Okay. Now the AT is in manual mode. Now I am going to change over to source 1. While change over to S2 to S1 or S1 to S2, we have to do open. Now both are in open condition. Okay, you didn't see any kind of red indication here. Okay, I am closing source 1.
जैसे मैनुअल में जैसे हैंडल से किया गया कि चेंज करने से पहले आप कंडीशन में लाया गया, वैसे इसको भी कि दोनों सोर्स में ना बदलने से पहले आप कंडीशन में लाना जरूरी है। जैसे पहले जो एटीएस रहता था आप सोर्स 1 सोर्स 2 डायरेक्ट ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं, ऐसा इसमें नहीं करना है। पहले आप कंडीशन फिर उसको लेके जाना है दूसरे कंडीशन में। ठीक।
Okay, so now if I want to change over to source 2, first I have to open this. Okay, now it is in off condition. Now I am going to close source 2.
ठीक है, ऐसा now, नहीं है कि एक साथ दोनों करेंगे तो नहीं होगा वो चीज़ और वो हेल्दी नहीं रहेगा।
ओके सर, fast. Now ATS is in manual mode. Both supplies are in off condition, but healthy source 1 is healthy, source 2 is healthy. If I put the ATS in auto mode, it will automatically come to source 1. Okay, because source 1 is the first priority. Okay, I will make it in auto mode. You can see. Okay, the red indication refers that source 1 is connected to the load. Okay.
पहला बंद कीजिए।
Now switch off source 1.
क्या भाई बता देना पहला सप्लाई कौन।
Now source 1 is off. Okay, RYB is 0. Okay, now it came to source 2. Okay, source 2 is healthy, source 1 is unhealthy, so it is came to source 2, right? If I restore the supply in source 1, it will come to source 1. Okay, switch on
source 1 ऑन कीजिए।
उसको बोल दें सीधी ऑन।
There is a delay between changeover from source 1 to source 2, source 2 to source 1 as per the customer requirement. Okay, 2 seconds is the delay. Okay, it is working as per the set value. Okay, so this is the operation in through handle, first we seen, and the next one is through controller by operating through keys, next in auto mode. Okay, so this is the operation wise. Okay, now okay.